Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix all lights blinking problem on the new Epson L3250 or 3251 and all L series. So basically what we'll need to do is turn off printer first, and now what we'll need to do is open this and lift it like this. Okay, and it holds pretty steadily, and right here you'll find this little tab that will be taped like foam with the blue tape. So basically peel that blue tape and take that foam, and actually now you want to close the printer and turn on, and your problem should be fixed. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.